The Project Management Institute expects 22 million new project management job openings through to 2027. Finding a job that's satisfying, offers a good salary and is secure in the future is tough. That's why so many people are choosing to train in project management. ITonlinelearning provides UK accredited certifications, has a Trustpilot rating of over 4.8 and has placed over 100 students in working roles over the last year. Project managers are required all over the world, working in different countries for a variety of industries. Makes this an exciting career with endless possibilities. ITonlinelearning is ready to help, from choosing your courses to helping you with your CV and finding your first role. We're here for you through your exciting journey. Our courses can be started online today from anywhere in the world. And there are custom finance options to help keep training within budget. So what are you waiting for? Let us start helping you. Click the link below to learn more and change your life today.